Taking the leap. Understanding, making a blind leap. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an intriguing phrase that you might have come across in English conversations or readings, making a blind leap. This expression is rich in imagery and meaning, and understanding it can add depth to your comprehension of the English language. Let's explore what it means, its origins, and how you can use it in your own conversations. Making a blind leap refers to the act of deciding to do something despite having little or no knowledge about it. It's about taking action without being able to see or predict the outcome clearly, much like jumping into the unknown. This phrase often implies a certain level of courage or risk, as it involves making decisions without full information, relying instead on faith, instinct, or desperation. The phrase combines two powerful images: blind, indicating the lack of sight or understanding, and leap, suggesting a jump or sudden movement. Together, they create a metaphor for venturing into uncharted territory or making a decision without a clear picture of the consequences. This expression can be used in various contexts, from personal decisions, like moving to a new city without a job lined up, to professional risks, such as starting a new business venture. To help you grasp how making a blind leap is used in everyday language, let's look at a few examples. He made a blind leap by buying that old house, planning to renovate it without knowing much about construction. Deciding to study abroad was like making a blind leap for her, but it turned out to be the best decision of her life. The company made a blind leap into the new market, hoping that their product would appeal to customers there. Using making a blind leap in your conversations can add depth and nuance, especially when discussing situations involving risk, uncertainty, or courage. It's a phrase that resonates with the human experience of facing the unknown. Here are a few tips. Use it when you want to emphasize the courage or risk involved in a decision. It's perfect for storytelling, especially when describing moments of significant change or decision-making. Remember, it carries a connotation of adventure and uncertainty, so it fits well in contexts where these themes are relevant. We hope this exploration of making a blind leap has enriched your understanding of this fascinating phrase. It's a testament to the beauty and depth of the English language, capturing the essence of human courage and the unknown. Remember, language learning is itself a bit of a blind leap, filled with challenges and surprises. Embrace it, and who knows what you'll discover on your journey. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.